Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop notifications from waking up your iPhone screen. So, if you've noticed that whenever your iPhone screen is off and you receive a notification from certain apps, the screen lights up. I'll show you how to prevent that. To get started, open your settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down to notifications. Now, here's the thing. You can't turn this off for all apps at once. There's no global option, but you can disable it for individual apps. Just pick an app, and under the notification settings for that app, uncheck Lock Screen. Do this for every app you want to stop from waking the screen. The notifications will still appear in your notification center, so when you swipe down or up on your lock screen, they'll still be there. But they won't light up your screen when the phone is idle. So again, just turn off the lock screen option for each app, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips like this.